How to set developer options for gaming in Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up settings in your mobile device. From here, scroll down and then tap on system. And there you'll find the developer option, so tap on it. But if you don't have this developer option in your mobile device, now to enable that, go back once again and then tap on about phone. From here, tap on version. And under this build number you have to tap for 6 times, and after you do that, there you will get an option to enable developer mode. After you enable your developer mode, now you can find that under system again. So go to developer mode option, and from this developer option, the first settings you have to do is that you have to scroll down and find the option as logger buffer sizes. Here it is, and then you have to turn off this. After that, scroll down and then again tap on graphics driver preferences. From here, you have to choose the game where you would like to set the developer options to. For example, I have this game right here, and from here, by default, you will have the built-in graphics driver. But if you want to choose the system graphics driver, then tap on the second option. And after that, go back. Now scroll down, keep on scrolling and find the option saying window animation scale. Tap on this and then turn off this as well. Again, do the same with transition animation scale as well, turn it off. And then again with animated duration scale, turn it off. Now again scroll down and you will find an option as background process limit. So keep on scrolling and then it is under apps, tap on background process limit and then choose at most 2 processes. So by doing all of this, you can set developer option for gaming in your Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.